Free time is a precious commodity in today's busy world. It's important to make the most of this time and do something that brings you joy and helps you relax and recharge. Whether it's engaging in a hobby, exercising, or spending time with loved ones, there are countless ways to make the most of your free time. Hello and welcome to Brainy Lux, where we empower you to reach your full potential. In this video, we will delve into 10 exciting and fulfilling ways to spend your free time. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or learn something new and exciting, this list has something for everyone. So why wait? Start making the most of your free time today and enjoy all that life has to offer. Number 1. Exercise. Exercise can help you feel more energetic and improve your mood. Regular exercise can also help you sleep better and reduce stress. You should try to make time for exercise in your schedule. It's not only good for your physical health, but it can also improve your mental well-being. Consider going for a run, joining a gym, or taking a fitness class. There are many different types of exercise to choose from, so you can find something that you enjoy. You don't have to spend a lot of time exercising to see benefits. If you're new to exercise or haven't been active in a while, it's a good idea to start slowly and gradually increase your activity level. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. It takes time and consistency to see improvements in your fitness level. Remember to listen to your body and stop exercising if you feel pain or discomfort. Number 2. Read a book. Reading can be a great way to relax and escape into a different world. Consider picking up a book that interests you, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or something in between. Reading can improve your vocabulary and increase your knowledge about a wide range of topics. Reading before bed can help you wind down and fall asleep more easily. You don't have to stick to one genre when reading. Experiment with different types of books to find what you like. But remember to always read books that will improve your life. Check out the 21 must-read books video on our channel, to find books that will change your life. Reading can be a social activity too. You can join a book club or participate in online book discussions to connect with others who share your love of reading. Reading can be a lifelong hobby that provides endless enjoyment and learning opportunities. Number 3. Spend quality time with loved ones. It's important to make connections with the people you care about. Make time to catch up with old friends or spend quality time with family. Connecting with loved ones can help you feel supported and loved, which can improve your overall well-being. There are many ways to spend time with loved ones, such as going out to eat, watching a movie, or taking a walk together. It's not about how much time you spend together, but the quality of the time you spend. Don't let distance or busy schedules get in the way of staying connected. Technology makes it easy to keep in touch through video calls, texts, or social media. Don't be afraid to reach out to loved ones if you're feeling lonely or isolated. They will likely be happy to spend time with you. Make an effort to listen and really engage with the people you care about when you're together. Showing genuine interest in their lives can strengthen your relationships. Remember that it's important to show appreciation and gratitude to the people you care about. A small gesture, such as a handwritten note or a thoughtful gift, can go a long way. Number 4. Volunteer. Giving back to your community can be a rewarding way to spend your free time. Volunteering can be a great way to make a positive impact in your community and help others in need. Volunteering can also be a great way to meet new people and make connections. Many organizations rely on volunteers to carry out their mission, so your time and efforts can make a big difference. Volunteering can also be a way to learn new skills and gain valuable experience. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might discover a passion for a cause or activity that you hadn't considered before. Remember to take care of yourself while volunteering. It's okay to take breaks and prioritize your own well-being. Showing appreciation and thanking volunteers is important. Be sure to recognize and express gratitude to the volunteers you work with. Number 5. Learn a new skill. Taking the time to learn something new can be fulfilling and enriching. Consider learning a new language, taking a cooking class, or learning how to code. Learning a new skill can help boost your confidence and improve your sense of accomplishment. It's okay to start small and build up to more advanced skills. Don't be discouraged if you don't pick up a new skill immediately. It takes time and practice. Finding a mentor or joining a community of people learning the same skill can provide support and motivation. Setting goals for your learning can help you stay motivated and track your progress. Learning a new skill can be a great way to break up the monotony of your daily routine and try something new. Remember to have fun while learning a new skill. Enjoy the process and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. Number 6. Travel. Exploring new places and cultures can be an exciting and enriching experience. Plan a weekend getaway or a longer trip and make new memories. Planning a trip can be half the fun. Research destinations, create an itinerary, and book accommodations and transportation. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new when traveling. Traveling can be a great way to disconnect from your daily routine and relax. Don't forget to bring a camera or phone to document your trip and create lasting memories. Traveling with a group or a partner can be a fun way to share the experience, but solo travel can also be rewarding. Bon voyage! Number 7. Get outdoors. Spending time in nature can be refreshing and rejuvenating. Go for a hike, spend a day at the beach, or just take a walk in a nearby park. Being in nature can help reduce stress and improve mental health. Being active outdoors can be a great way to get exercise and enjoy the beauty of nature. Don't forget to bring sunscreen, a hat, and water when spending time outdoors to protect yourself from the sun and stay hydrated. Consider inviting friends or family to join you for an outdoor adventure. Don't let the weather stop you from enjoying the outdoors. There are plenty of activities that can be enjoyable in rain or shine. Number 8. Write. Writing can be a therapeutic and creative outlet. Try journaling, writing a short story, a poem, or even starting a novel. Writing can be a way to express yourself and explore your thoughts and feelings. Start small and build up to longer pieces. Don't be discouraged if you don't produce a masterpiece right away. Joining a writing group or participating in online writing communities can provide support, feedback, and motivation. Seek out feedback from others, but ultimately the writing process is personal and you should write what feels authentic to you. Don't be afraid to put your writing out there. Sharing your work with others can be a rewarding and enriching experience. Number 9. Reflect. Take a few moments to relax and reflect on your life. Try meditating, journaling, or just sitting in silence and being present in the moment. Taking time to reflect can help you gain perspective on your life and your goals. Find a quiet and peaceful place to reflect. Consider setting aside a specific time and place for reflection. Reflecting can help you identify what's important to you and what you want to focus on in your life. Explore your thoughts and feelings when reflecting. It's a safe and private space to process your emotions. Remember to be kind to yourself when reflecting. It's okay to have negative thoughts and emotions, but try to approach them with compassion and understanding. Reflection can be an ongoing practice, not just something you do once in a while. Consider setting aside regular time for reflection. Number 10. Engage in a hobby. Hobbies are a great way to relax and unwind. Find something that brings you joy, whether it's painting, gardening, cooking, or playing a musical instrument. Hobbies can provide a sense of accomplishment and can be a great way to relieve stress. Have more than one hobby. In fact, having a variety of hobbies can keep things interesting. Hobbies can be a great way to learn new skills and gain knowledge. Hobbies can be a lifelong passion and can provide endless enjoyment and fulfillment. If you feel the passion, invest in your hobby. Investing in supplies or classes can help you take your hobby to the next level. As we've explored, there are many ways to make the most of your free time. Endless opportunities to enrich your life and find fulfillment. The key is to find activities that bring you joy and allow you to relax and recharge. Don't let free time pass you by. Take control of your schedule and make time for the things that matter to you. Whether it's taking up a new hobby, going for a hike, or simply spending time with loved ones, each of these activities has the potential to improve your well-being and bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment to your life. So go out and make the most of your free time. You deserve it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tip us by hitting the like button. Share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and advice on health, wealth, motivation, and wellness.